everybody, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to do a review. I haven't done a review for a while because I really like to use a product before I do a review on it. I like to use it for a while to make sure it's going to hold up. And I bought this dog rake a couple months ago, and I'll tell you, I love it. It works wonderful for her. She sheds constantly, and I just took a brush over her just a few minutes ago, got no hair off of it hardly from the brush, and I took the rake over and I got this off of just one side. I hadn't even done the other side yet because she had to go out and go potty, and I do this outside, and that way I don't have the mess in the house. And that's quite a bit of hair that I don't have to vacuum up. So I highly recommend this. It's got two sides. One side does work better for her because she's got longer hair. The other side works better for short hair. So I would highly recommend this rake for a German Shepherd dog. Before I got this rake, Dusty did not like to be brushed. She just did not like it at all. And now with this, she loves it. She gets brushed or raked, however you want to say it, at least once a day. And we do get a lot of hair off of her. And it saves a lot of work inside. I do it outside. After she plays, she comes and has porch time. And when she has porch time, that's when I brush her. And she really does like to be brushed now. And even the tricky places, like underneath the tail and the tail itself and around the ears and around the collars. But German Shepherds, it's always hard to get that collar, that rough part around the collar, to get brushed because for some reason they just don't like that area, and they don't like their tail to be brushed. And she just sits there and she eats this up. She loves it. And when I stop, she'll try to nudge me to keep on brushing some more. And so it has really worked well. And she hasn't chewed on it or anything. I try to keep it away from her as far as that. And but she has sniffed it, and she doesn't mind it at all. She likes it. So I would, if you have any dog that sheds, I highly recommend this. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.